Hello viewers, in today's lesson I'll be guiding you on how you can create something like this. Having a text box, a combo box and a two command button. You have a text box which you can enter your data like John. I can enter John and add it to the combo box. Look at it here. Then you can add whatever thing that you want to add there. This is 211. Add. See, you can add whatever thing that you want to add. Add this. Check. Yes, it has been added. Add Monirat. Add to the combo box. It has been added. You can equally delete the items from the combo box. Delete the items, so no item now in the combo box because I've deleted it. Well, this is what we're going to learn this time. So I urge you to give me maximum attention so I could put it through. Now I hold my program for me to start from scratch. I will now create a new project, then discard the first one. So before we begin, before I show you the main one, what I intend teaching you, I need to show you how you can also use a combo box without a command button, just from the form load. You can actually add an item into a combo box from the form load. You don't double click on the combo box, but you double click on the form itself here. Now in between the private sub and end, you add combo 1, which is the name. Combo 1. Okay, let me change the caption to select, but the name that can be used in referencing still remains combo 1. Now you double click on the form, not on the combo box. Here you type combo, which is the name of the object. This combo 1 dot add item. What are we adding? We are adding John. Run the program. John has been added. You can add whatever thing that you want to add. Let me just copy from here so I could not waste time. Musa Adamu. Munirat. Marcus. Sorry. Marcus. So let me check, run the program again. Yeah, these are the names that I've added to my combo box. Well, let's go back to, let's stop the program and begin our proper lesson for today. Now, I said for us to able to do what I've just shown you, you need a text box, one text box like this. You draw it, or alternatively, let me use a frame to arrange my text box and a combo box inside. A frame like this. Here I should have one text box, text one, then a combo box, okay. The caption name of the frame, I can change it if I wish to. Let me change it to text box and combo, text and combo, text box and combo box. Now beneath here I should have my command button, two of them. Okay, don't mind the design, everything will still remain the same. I just thought I should have something different in terms of design. Now here you change the caption of this command to add item. Add item to combo box. To combo box. Increase size. Delete item. The other one, delete item from combo box. Okay. You can bold this. Add item to combo box from the font here. Bold. Likewise this, you need to bold it. Okay, now this one I need to change it to the text. Check text. I need to erase it. Then combo box, I need to type. Select there. Even this, I need to change the font. I need to bold it. Great. Now we've finished with the design. Now what remains now is the code beneath. Now double click on add item to combo. Okay, delete this for the previous demonstration that we had. Now in between private sub command, one click in parentheses, in between this and end sub, you need to type a command which is combo1. We are referring to this. The name is combo1. Look at the name. Let me show you the name, combo1. We've only changed the caption name, which is in the text here, to select. We've replaced combo to select, but the name still remains what? Combo1. Thank you. Now combo1 dot add item. Add items actually a function that help you add an item to a combo box. Now we are adding an item to a combo box from the text box here. Now the name of the text box is text1, so it's text1. So dot text is the property name. Just a single command like this. So let's try running it to see how effective the code is. Run, enter anything there in the text box, up, you are getting it. Let's add it to the combo box. Let's check if it has been added. Look up, it has been added. The name of this course is Introduction to Programming using Visual Basic 6.0. Let's add it to the combo box. Check. Here it is. It has been added to the combo box. Now what remains now is just for us to write a code behind this. Now you halt your program, you double click on delete item from the combo box, then in between here you type combo1 which is the name of this object here. Combo1 clear. What clear means is that it will clear the content of the items in the combo box here. So combo1 clear means it will clear the content of whatever we've added into a combo box here. So let's try running it. Run, enter anything, job, add to the combo box. Let's check. Yes, job has been added. Let's add Musa, add Let's add Mary. Let's add Janet. Add Munirat. Okay, look up. These are the items we've added, and we can delete it from here. If you want to delete what you just added, you can just click on delete item from the combo box. So look up, there are no items in the combo box now. So this is it. If this has helped you, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Mtech Tutorial Hub. See you next time. Thank you very much.